Before I get into that specific question, I want to ask, Jeff, did you find it easier to find and land people to donate and bring capital to your project, or did you find it easier to sell your first lawn mowing job? Which one was harder? Which one was easier?
Lawn mowing was way easier, I have to say, because the lawn was growing and they needed someone to cut it. They didn't really care who did it. And if it happened to be the kid next door, even easier, because you can just call them up and they'll be there in 10 minutes. Selling and working with these VCs, pitching angel investors, you're pitching them on a vision that may be 5 years away. And so there's a lot of things that you have to internalize and have a lot of confidence towards in your vision. And generally with us, we were super confident because we built thousands of our specific industry. For the listeners, is website development and automation and things like that. We built thousands of websites as an agency, and a marketing agency, a web development agency before this business. So we had insane amounts of context. And that's what I was kind of mentioning before about kind of like know your history and the reason that you believe an idea to be a good idea or a vision to be kind of what you see the future of the industry being. Whereas people who say, we got plenty of no's, we definitely got a majority of pitches were no's. And all those people don't understand because they never built a site. They never lived that life. And so that's where you got to really take those no's and be like, it makes sense. Some of those people said no. That actually is a positive that some of those people say no, because they have no clue what they're talking about. So if they said yes, I'd be worried.
Fair enough. You definitely need to be in front of the right people, especially if you're raising capital. You need the right investors. Kevin O'Leary, love you, but you might not be the best fit for that 15-year-old girl who's trying to sell muffins on the side of the road.
Well, he will, but he'll take 1 cent until he recoups his money.
Right. I need the royalty. I love it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.